Today we're gonna unbox something pretty exciting. This is the LTX Extreme Shooter Drone, and it's obvious what drew me to this. It shoots these little discs. Now, how cool is that? I wanna like fly around and shoot stuff, maybe mount an FPV camera on this thing, shoot some whoops out of the sky. Doesn't it sound awesome? It is a nice little package, has these prop guards, not sure if they're removable or not, and it does have the 10 discs, which it holds up here. Auto launching and auto landing. Claims to have a durable frame, easy to fly. Let's get in here and check it out. Yeah, we're upside down, I believe. So let's flip it. All right, there we go. Box. It's a decent box, but you guys know I like to throw those. So we got our controller here. Transmitter, looks like these are our discs. And not sure what is in here. Not even really sure how to get in here. We got a user manual, seems to be pretty decent. Let's see how we get in here. A little bit bigger than I was expecting. Okay, there's that. So that should get the transmitter out. How do we get the drum? There we go, just pull it out right there. We got our discs right here. Just gonna rip that off. And then how do we get in here? We're done with that. Open up this box. So we got a spare set of props. Charging cable. It is a micro USB cable. I'm curious if you can, yeah, it does look like you can remove the prop guard here. So probably will be doing that, but I'll give it an initial flight here. Where's the battery? Oh, it's locked in there. Do we get a screwdriver? We did not. So you got your quad, discs, charging cable, transmitter. Transmitter's got a screw in it too, but they did not provide a screwdriver. Let's see what we got here. All right, I'm seeing a JST connector. This is gonna be a 650 milliamp hour battery, and there is an on-off switch here. So you can charge this. There's a USB port right here for charging, on-off switch here. Let's see if we have any. We do have a little bit of power. So let's get some discs in this thing and see what it can do. Holds up to 10 discs. How are we gonna load these? It looks like this just flips open or it comes right off. So there you go, that came right off. Holds up to 10, it says. It looks like there's more than 10 here. 20. So 10 extras, obviously. We want to be fully loaded here. You never know what you're going to encounter when you go up flying these quads. So I'm going to move this stuff out of the way so it doesn't go blowing all over the place. Now, what is this? Remove and discard pull tab. Okay, so are there batteries in here? Is that what it's telling me? Ooh, batteries are included. 3 AAAs. Very nice. How are we shooting? Are they labeled? No. Shoot discs is the upper right bumper button. Speed control are these two here. Auto takeoff, auto landing, and emergency stop. Press and hold for 2 seconds for emergency stop. If you've been watching the channel for a long time, you'll know that there's been a few times when I needed that emergency stop button and didn't have it. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's find out. I think we're out of battery. I'm going full throttle and nothing's happening. I'm gonna land it. I don't know though, because we're not like flashing or anything. Let me try that one more time. It is a rather loud quad. I mean, it's fairly big, but we didn't even get to shoot anything here. All right, let's fire. That's pretty cool. It's a matter of finding your discs afterwards though. Ooh, that one shot 2. Holy cow. So this one's a little loud. I am going to pause. I'm gonna pause here and we're gonna charge the battery and we will come back with a full review. I'm gonna see if I can find those discs. They were like flying, here's one. They were like, I was watching them go flying way across the room. This thing it rips them. So that's pretty cool. So we will check out the Extreme Shooter Drone from Little Tykes. We'll come back with a full review. Stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.